are a few breathing exercises to help you to relax, calm your mind, calm your body, and also to remove all the toxins from your body and purify your body right from inside. Only breathing itself is enough of a healer if you really concentrate on the parts of the body that is affected. And as you exhale, if you believe that all the toxins, all the sickness, all the disease is coming out in the out breath. And when you breathe in, that you're getting pranic energy, that's cosmic energy, that's helping your each and every cell in your body get revitalized and make you strong again. So let us start simply by just relaxing. Close your eyes and just deeply breathe in and breathe out 5 times. Let it be a continuous process. So deeply breathe in and slowly breathe out. Again, inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. The last time, inhale and totally exhale. Now bend your first two fingers together, keeping your hands out, and put your thumb on your nostril. And you're going to start with totally exhaling from your left nostril and then inhaling, and you'll even end with a total exhale. So let's start for 5 rounds of it. Let's go. Exhale and inhale. Again, exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale, and totally exhale. Changing your nostril now, close the other side of the nostril. Back is straight, arms are tucked in, and you're relaxed. Let's go. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. And totally exhale. Relax and breathe normally for 3 counts. Again, inhale and exhale and be relaxed. Now, these asanas will help you not to get common sicknesses. What this breathing exercise, what you did previously, will help you not to get common cold, fever, and the small viral fevers that we get in our everyday life, helping you live a more healthy life. Now, the next one, what I am doing is a Nadi Shuddh asana, which helps you clean the total system internally, right to all the tubes into the body, removing the fat from the body, clearing your lungs, making your heart and lungs stronger, and helping good energy go into the body. So we are going to do 10 rounds of it, where exhale, inhale becomes 1 round. So let's start. You're going to start by closing your right nostril again and exhaling from your left nostril. So let's start. It's 1, inhale, close, open the other side, exhale, and inhale. 2, exhale, inhale, close, exhale, inhale. 3, exhale, inhale, change your side, exhale, inhale. 4, exhale, Inhale. Change your side. Exhale. Inhale. 5. Exhale. Inhale. Change your side. Exhale. Inhale. 6. Exhale. Inhale. Change your side. Exhale. Inhale. 7. Exhale. Inhale. Change. Exhale. Inhale. 8. Exhale. Inhale. Change your side. Exhale. Inhale. 9. Exhale. Inhale. Change your side. Exhale. Inhale. 10. Exhale. Inhale. Change your side. Exhale. Inhale. Change and totally exhale. Come back to sitting position. Just relax and normal breathing. Relax your mind, relax your body. Now we are moving on to Bhastrika Pranayam, which is more for all the organs inside your system, all the endocrine system, and it also helps to get rid of fat around the stomach. It is not as fast as Kapalabhati, it's a slower version and it's easier for people to do at the beginning. Later on, after about 3 or 4 months, you can go for Kapalabhati, which is much faster. So we are doing 3 rounds of it, where you take a deep breath, you inhale, and for 10 counts, you're going to keep pulling your navel deeply into your stomach, into your spine as you exhale. So it's like this, you inhale, and as you exhale, you pull your abs in and you relax it again. So you will do it. I will show you and you can join me for the 3 rounds. So take a deep breath and start. Take a deep breath again and go. The last time, take a deep breath and again. And relax. As you see, I held my hand here so you could feel your abs going in each time you exhale. Later, after each inhalation, you can do even up to 40 exhalations at one count, slowly bringing up the number of counts. First 10, then 15, then 20, day by day, slowly, gradually increasing the count to even up to 40 counts, up to till you can breathe no more, and then you take the next deep breath. So this is very good for all the parts of your internal parts and internal organs of your body. Now moving on to Brahmi, which is good for the eyes, the ears and the throat, keeping it very active. And if you do have a problem already, it will help to remove those problems and make you back into normal for your hearing, eyesight and for your throat. Even for this, you should make the sound of a male bee. So the sound should come from deep within your throat. It should be a deep humming sound. It shouldn't be a light sound. It should be really rough. 3 rounds of that. We are going, and in between you are going to close your ears with your thumb, and you're going with the 2 center fingers. You're going to close, gently cover your eyes. You don't have to press it hard. And each time you want to breathe again, you can release it for a second and close it again. We are doing 3 rounds of it. Let's start by taking a deep breath and start. and relax. Normal breathing. I'm sure you could feel the vibration right in your throat, your ears, and in your mind. In between all these exercises, once you get to know all the different pranayams that you're doing, you can keep your eyes closed right through and open it only after the Omkar, which we are going to do now. So this is 3 times we are going to do the Omkar. First time, the O of the Omkar will be long, the M will be short. Second time you divide it into 2 parts. So O and M. The sound should be divided into 2 parts till you're out of breath. And the third time the O is short and the sound, the M sound will be taken as long as possible. You should be relaxed and let it come deep from within your heart, within your mind for the Omkar. So let's start by keeping your eyes closed and doing the Omkar. Take a deep breath now and start. Again. The last time. When you finish, keep your eyes closed. Just be aware of yourself. Keep that energy all around you. Feel your total body relaxed. Feel rejuvenated, filled with energy, filled with good things. Let only good thoughts come into your mind. Happy thoughts, and be with yourself. You can gently rub your palms together so that the energy from your palms will go into your eyes. Gently cover your eyes. Let the warmth go in, bringing your fingers down. Gently blink your eyes between your fingers. Don't bring it to the harsh side suddenly. Feel your ears, your throat. Any part is hurting, you can gently press it. Blink your eyes and open it. So this was the breathing exercises that I would like you to do for the first 2 to 3 months, gently increasing the number of counts as you feel suitable. If you do it too deeply, you might feel a little lightheaded. That means you're doing too much. You need to just feel good after you have finished the total process. After this, you can always lie down and do Shavasana. If you feel tired, Shavasana is where you totally relax. I'll show it to you once. Anytime during any exercise program, if you're tired, you can do Shavasana to relax your body. So that you need to lie down on your mat. You're going to keep 1 foot distance between your feet. Let your feet be totally loose and you're going to let your legs hang down as if it's totally relaxed. Gently go down. You can turn onto your side if you like and go down, or you can gently pull your navel in, chin into your chest, and gently use the power of your abs to roll yourself down. Keep your arms at the side of your body, open yet not touching your body, facing upward, feeling like a ring of energy around your body. You can lie down, be relaxed, deeply and calmly breathing in and out for a minimum of 2 minutes. Meeting your in breath with your out breath, feeling that whole body being renewed. Try not to let any thoughts come into your mind. If you're thinking of something, gently keep it at the side to think of later and concentrate on the breathing. Deep and calm. Your inhalation should be less, your exhalation should be longer. You can gently bring your thoughts back to your room. Blink your eyes and gently open it. Turn on to your side. Put your hand underneath your head. Lie down. You can use the support of your hand, both your hands, to press yourself and get up and to be comfortable. So hope you do that and have a nice relaxed day after it.